Step 1. Tacos al pastor. Introduction. Tacos al pastor are the crown jewel of Mexican street food, bold, spicy, and incredibly flavorful. This dish blends indigenous Mexican spices with Middle Eastern cooking techniques, thanks to Lebanese immigrants who introduced spit-roasted meats. In this home-style version, we replicate the iconic flavors using thinly sliced pork marinated in a rich chili pineapple sauce, roasted or grilled to perfection, and served on warm corn tortillas with fresh toppings. Step 2. Prepare the marinade. In a blender, combine 3 dried guajillo chilies and 2 dried ancho chilies, both soaked in hot water for 15 minutes and de-seeded. 3 cloves garlic, 1/4 cup white vinegar, 1/2 cup pineapple juice, 1 chipotle pepper in adobo sauce, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Blend until smooth, adding a few tablespoons of water if needed to achieve a thick but pourable consistency. Step 3. Marinate the pork. Thinly slice 2 pounds of boneless pork shoulder or pork loin into 1/4 inch slices. Place the meat in a large bowl or resealable plastic bag and pour the marinade over the pork. Mix well to coat every piece. Add 1/2 cup finely chopped fresh pineapple to the mixture to enhance the flavor and help tenderize the meat. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight. Step 4. Cook the pork. To cook in the oven, preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Stack the marinated pork slices on skewers or layer them on a baking tray lined with foil, alternating layers with thin slices of pineapple. Roast for 25 to 35 minutes, turning once halfway through until the meat is fully cooked and slightly charred. For grilling, cook the slices over medium-high heat for 3 to 5 minutes per side. Once cooked, chop the pork into small taco-sized pieces. Step 5. Warm the tortillas. Heat about 12 small corn tortillas on a dry skillet or comal over medium heat for 30 seconds on each side until warm, pliable, and slightly toasted. Keep them wrapped in a clean towel to retain heat. Step 6. Assemble the tacos. Spoon the chopped al pastor pork into each warm tortilla. Top with finely diced white onion, chopped fresh cilantro, a few small chunks of grilled or fresh pineapple, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Add your favorite salsa if desired for an extra layer of flavor. Conclusion. Tacos al pastor bring together the perfect balance of savory, sweet, and spicy in every bite. Whether you're recreating a taste of Mexico City or simply looking for the ultimate taco night, this recipe delivers mouth-watering results every time. Enjoy them with friends, family, or solo. You'll keep coming back for more. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like, share, and stay updated with our latest videos.